Time changes everything. Home, family, life.
Play the latest news.
Here's the latest news.
Well, what's interesting
Yeah,
about this report?
just like that.
Show me my schedule.
Alright, there are 3 entries for today.
But happiness? Here's a reminder. It stays the same. The things that made us happy then make us happy now.
Is it gonna rain today?
Probably not. Right now it's mostly sunny.
Like not having to do the laundry twice because of the weather. Or not doubling or tripling your bill
I'm leaving.
Alright, have a good day.
because you forgot to turn off the aircon. Again.
Turn on the air conditioner.
Sure, turning on kids' room aircon.
It's giving your kids a space of their own, so you can keep them away for some calm and peace,
Played out this room camera.
Sure.
while keeping an eye on them, of course. And speaking of happiness, you know what's the happiest time of them all?
It's movie time!
No, not movie time.
Play Lost in Space on Netflix.
Alright, opening Netflix.
Family time, when everyone is together,
Dim the lights.
Okay, dimming the living room light.
doing something or nothing at all. Either way, it's all just a few words away. We connecting families. Sharp.